Alright, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this MaxTow from Shift Glow. This would be my second gauge that I get from them. This is for a boost gauge. Provided a sticker. There's the gauge. It's an analog and a digital gauge. Just like it shows right there. And they provide everything to wire it. And they provide hoses, all the electrical connections with the little vacuum sensor on there. This is going to be interesting how to connect. We'll figure that out later. But this is an unboxing just for this here. Comes with a bracket. And yeah, that's everything that comes with it. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.